The sheer scale of this place is staggering. It is home to 1 in 10 known species on Earth, a living library of biological wonders. From the smallest, most iridescent insects to the largest, most formidable predators, every creature has found its own unique way to survive and thrive in this complex environment. The forest is not merely a collection of trees. It is a dynamic, interconnected community where every leaf, every river, and every animal plays a crucial role in the grand, unfolding drama of existence. The sounds here are as varied as the life that creates them. In the early morning, the piercing calls of howler monkeys echo for miles, a primal declaration of territory that reverberates through the mist. This is soon joined by the melodic songs of countless birds, their vibrant plumage flashing like jewels amidst the foliage. As the day progresses, the buzz of insects provides a constant, underlying hum, punctuated by the sudden croak of a hidden frog or the splash of a fish in a dark, winding tributary. Exploring the Amazon is to witness nature at its most raw and most spectacular. It is a journey into a world where evolution has run wild, producing creatures of breathtaking beauty and ingenious design. Each layer of the forest, from the dark, damp floor to the sun-drenched treetops, holds its own secrets and its own unique inhabitants. Understanding this intricate web of life is not just a scientific pursuit. It is an invitation to marvel at the sheer wonder of our natural world and to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains it all. Down on the forest floor, where shadows dominate and the air is heavy with humidity, lives the undisputed king of the Amazon. The jaguar, a creature of immense power and breathtaking beauty, moves with a silent, deliberate grace. Its magnificent coat, a canvas of golden orange fur marked with dark rosette-shaped spots, provides the perfect camouflage amidst the dappled light and dense undergrowth. This is a solitary hunter, an apex predator that relies on stealth and raw strength to secure its place at the top of the food chain. Its powerful jaws can crush the skulls of its prey, a testament to its evolutionary perfection as a hunter in this challenging terrain. The jaguar's diet is as varied as the rainforest itself. It is an opportunistic carnivore preying on over 80 different species, from large tapirs and capybaras to smaller monkeys and armadillos. It is also one of the few big cats that is comfortable in water, often hunting for caiman and large fish along the riverbanks. The jaguar patrols a vast territory, often covering many miles in a single night, using its keen senses of sight and hearing to detect the slightest movement. Its paws are large and padded, allowing it to tread silently, turning it into a ghost of the forest, often unseen and unheard until the final decisive moment of attack. Sharing this shadowy realm are other smaller hunters, each with its own remarkable survival strategy. Consider the poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian whose brilliant colors serve not as camouflage, but as a stark warning. Hues of electric blue, vibrant yellow, and fiery orange signal to potential predators that its skin secretes a potent toxin, a powerful defense mechanism that keeps it safe from harm. These frogs are active during the day, hopping across the leaf litter in search of ants and termites, their small size belying the deadly protection they carry. Their very existence is a lesson in how even the most vulnerable can evolve to become formidable. The forest floor is a place of constant vigilance, where survival depends on a delicate balance of offense and defense. The jaguar embodies the raw power of the predator, a master of the hunt, whose presence shapes the behavior of countless other species. The poison dart frog, in contrast, showcases the ingenuity of passive defense, using its own biology as a shield. Together, they represent the incredible diversity of life strategies that have evolved in the Amazon's complex ecosystem. Every creature here, from the mighty to the minute, is locked in an eternal dance of survival, contributing to the forest's rich and dynamic character. High above the forest floor, a different world unfolds. The canopy, a sprawling city of leaves and branches, is where the majority of the Amazon's life resides. This is a realm of breathtaking acrobatics and vibrant colors, ruled by creatures perfectly adapted to a life lived among the treetops. Here, squirrel monkeys and capuchins move in large boisterous groups, their chatter and playful antics echoing through the branches. They are masters of agility, using their long prehensile tails for balance as they leap from tree to tree in a seemingly effortless display. Their intelligence and social complexity are remarkable, allowing them to cooperate in finding food and warning each other of approaching danger. These primates have an incredibly varied diet, feasting on a rich bounty of fruits, nuts, insects, and even small birds' eggs that the canopy provides. Their days are spent foraging, their nimble fingers expertly prying open tough shells and plucking ripe fruits from slender branches. This constant search for food is not just about sustenance, it is a vital part of the forest's regeneration. As the monkeys travel, they disperse seeds from the fruits they eat, effectively planting new trees across vast distances. In this way, they are not just inhabitants of the canopy, they are its gardeners, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of the entire rainforest. The canopy is also a paradise for birds, and few are as spectacular as the scarlet macaw. With plumage of brilliant red, sunny yellow, and deep blue, these magnificent birds are like flying rainbows, a truly unforgettable sight against the green backdrop of the forest. They are highly social creatures, often forming lifelong pair bonds and flying in large, noisy flocks. Their beaks are incredibly powerful, perfectly designed for cracking open the toughest nuts and seeds that other animals cannot access. Their loud, raucous calls are an iconic sound of the Amazon, a vibrant expression of the life that flourishes in the sunlit heights. Life in the canopy is a continuous, high-energy spectacle. It is a world of constant movement, sound, and color, where survival depends on agility, intelligence, and social cooperation. From the playful leaps of the monkeys to the majestic flight of the macaws, every creature has perfected its own unique way of navigating this three-dimensional world. They are the living heart of the rainforest, their daily lives intertwined with the very branches they call home. Their existence demonstrates the incredible adaptability of life and the sheer richness that is possible when nature is allowed to flourish undisturbed in its treetop kingdom. The Amazon rainforest and the countless creatures that call it home represent one of the greatest natural wonders of our world. It is a place of unparalleled biodiversity, a living, breathing system that influences global climate and sustains a web of life so complex we have only just begun to understand it. The jaguar's silent hunt, the monkey's treetop journey, the macaw's brilliant flight, and the frog's colorful warning, these are not just isolated stories. They are individual threads in a vast interconnected tapestry of life. Each animal, no matter how large or small, plays an indispensable role in maintaining the delicate balance of this extraordinary ecosystem. However, this world is fragile. The pressures of deforestation, climate change, and human encroachment pose a grave threat to the Amazon's future. Every minute, vast areas of this ancient forest are lost, and with them, the habitats of these unique animals disappear forever. The symphony of the rainforest is slowly being silenced, its vibrant chorus replaced by the sounds of destruction. Losing the Amazon would not only mean the extinction of countless species, it would also have catastrophic consequences for the health of our entire planet, disrupting weather patterns and accelerating the pace of a global warming. The fate of this magnificent wilderness is inextricably linked to our own. The responsibility to protect this vital ecosystem rests with all of us. It requires a global effort, a collective commitment to sustainable practices, conservation initiatives, and a deeper respect for the natural world. We must support the work of those on the front lines, from scientists and conservationists to the indigenous communities who have been stewards of this land for centuries. By making conscious choices, raising awareness, and advocating for stronger environmental protections, we can help ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive for generations to come. The challenge is immense, but the stakes are simply too high for us to fail. We stand at a critical moment in our planet's history. We have the knowledge and the ability to change our course, to move from a path of exploitation to one of preservation. The wild wonders of the Amazon are not just a distant spectacle to be admired in documentaries. They are a vital part of the Earth's life support system. By protecting the jaguar, the monkey, and the myriad other creatures of the forest, we are ultimately protecting ourselves. Let us work together to ensure that the Amazon's great symphony of life continues to play on, a lasting legacy of the beauty and resilience of the natural world.